like an athlete, Shawty crunk drunk, fucking up a new Louboutin. If I let her in my Mazda, she might be a trending topic. Therefore she gotta ride.